Kawasaki revealed 2024 the all Kawasaki KX450 and Kawasaki KX450X model. So this video you will know the price for this Super Motocross 2024 model with the price launch. The all-new Kawasaki KX450 model 2025 available with price is around $10,400 in US for per unit. This model have new updated with 449 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine, new cylinder head and new straight exhaust port and center exhaust, new power mode selection with a handlebar mounted switch, and new radiology connectivity, change engine mapping with your smartphone. So how do you feel with this Super Motocross 2024 model? Please let me know by comment below. The all-new Kawasaki KX 2024 model have only one color available. New Kawasaki KX450 model 2024, lime green colors. After watch the price, new upgrade, and color available for new 2024 Kawasaki KX450 model, how do you feel? So please like and share this video to your friend to make them know with price for this model also. If you have anything for this Super Motocross 2024 model you can comments below, or check in Kawasaki Motorcycles web in USA for clearly. Thanks for watching.